As you can see, this is proof I was able to go from not having the TikTok live option to having the TikTok live button even without having up to 1,000 followers. Now let me show you how I did it. If you noticed, we currently have only 20 TikTok followers. Now let me show you how I enabled the live option. As you can see, our request has been sent successfully and should be accepted in few days. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more.